Wings have more nutrients than a typical chicken breast. You get connective tissue, skin, more fats. It's higher calorie, but
yeah, I don't gotta lose weight. I'm maintaining.
eating intuitively.
We don't ever want to maintain. Why would I maintain? When I get bigger.
What's the point of
More
maintaining?
shredded.
You go up 100 or 200 calories and get bigger, and then keep doing that without putting on fat. I've been having
Too
like
much thinking. I just eat. We missed the update, bro. All three of us missed the fucking update.
What update?
The evolutionary update, bro. We're just mongoloids.
don't eat salt.
Were you paying for that when you were growing up?
Oh yeah, that's all I ate. My dad fucking grill master.
Sausage? Not fried. Oh shit, that's hot. Not fried, she looks like a griller.
Yeah, smoker. Yeah, he used to eat so much smoked meat. He used to do like events and shit. Art event, graduation. He did like 4 of them. Me, not about it.
That's good. You know what Traegers are?
Yeah, that's what we got, dude.
I was gonna say your dad have one of those? If not, that's a great birthday gift.
Bro, we should get grills every year, bro. Like, it's the point where I don't even get the fuck anymore. This is the life.
Well, I went back for the bones. I went back for the little pieces. There's nothing left. I should go back and get more of them wings. But you got some left on here.